Oh. Let it come on record. Maybe. Yes. Oh. Okay, Mr. R.P. Sharma, Leonard, Senior Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has filed an affidavit in reply. Stop. Registry to verify and place the same on record. List the matter after 1 week, 2 weeks. That's why after. You want a date fix or you come with a date? We'll have it on 8th May. 21st May. List the matter on 21st. Yes. Adjournment slip. 8 and 9. So item 9, what you want? You are appealing for? In the IA? IA only? Okay, on request made by Mr. M. Mohantal, Leonard Counsel for the opposite party number 5. When do you want? 2 weeks. Is the matter. Give a date after 2 weeks. 16th May. Item 8 also will go? These matters. Okay, same order. Item 8. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Banik. Curtis Banik, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner on request made on behalf of SK Medi, Leonard CGC. List the matter after? After 2 weeks. Yes. Yeah. We'll have it after 2 weeks.
If you want date in every case, only 100 cases will keep rotating. Apply your mind sometimes.
Huh. Okay, you are Mr. On request made by Iris Michelle, Leonard Counsel for the respondent, list after 1 week. Mm. Mm. Okay. Yes, please. You have 4? Your good name, please. On request made by L. Das, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. When do you want?
4 weeks, my lordship.
After 4 weeks.
That is your lordship. I beg to mention item number 29. Allow us 2 weeks time to file reply on affidavit in opposition, lordship. Allow us
You are for the petitioner.
appellant, lordship.
Appellant.
Yes, lordship.
On request made by MS.
M. Deca.
M. Deca, Leonard Counsel for the appellant. List the matter after
After 2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks. Yes. Okay.
Match up.
Item 1, 2, and 3. Ordered.
May 3, the lordship. Well, in item 2 and 3, my lord, we are directed to take dusty service on the respondent number 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
Item 2 and 3.
2 and 3. 1, as regards the item number 1 is concerned, service is complete.
Hmm.
As regards the 2 and 3, my lord, we are directed to take dusty service. We have tried it, my lord, but they did not accept it, my lord. So, to that effect, I want to file an affidavit, my lord. To
Okay,
the
Mr.
NJ Khatuniya, my lord.
NJ Khataniya, Leonard Counsel for the appellant in writ April 304 of 2018 and writ April 183 of 2023 submits that they have taken steps
Yes.
for service of notice on the opposite party
Yes, my lord.
by Dusty Sir
Dusty service.
and pays for filing an affidavit.
They have not accepted, my lord. They have not.
They've taken step. However, the opposite party has refused to accept the notice. And on that ground, he prays for filing an affidavit. Stop. Please, after 1 week.
After 1 week, my lord. Oblige.
5,
Yes.
Lord, Lord, in the condonation petition, we have taken drastic steps, my lord. Lord, Lordship may give me 1 week time to file the affidavit, my lord.
On the opposite party number 1,
Opposite party number 1.
Mr. Dinath Leonard Senior Governor
Yes, sir.
gives submits that they have taken steps for service of notice on this opposite party number 1 and prays for filing an affidavit. Praise allowed. List after 1 week, 2 weeks,
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Gotcha.
6,
Content.
Minor order dated 28/8/2023. Direct on
Cooperative portion.
page 19, paragraph 10. In view of above, we hereby direct the Khadi Board to refer the matter of promotion of the respondent writ petitioner as superintendent to the Handloom, Textile and Agriculture Department. The controversy shall be examined by the Secretary of the Department in consultation with the Secretary of the Department of Personnel, Government of Assam. Till such process is undertaken, the respondent writ petitioner shall continue to hold the post of superintendent. However, she will not be entitled to claim any lien on the post based on promotion order that is so and order passing. Her promotion is to the post of superintendent will be dependent on the decision taken by the Secretary of the Handloom and Textile Department. In case any adverse order being passed, the respondent will entitled to challenge the same.
No time was given. So we can dispose of saying that to comply with the order. with the 1 month or 3 months.
My lord, I have already retired from service, but till date, the authorities have not taken any decision. As a result, my pensionary benefit or other retirement benefit is not yet been finalized, my lord.
But direction was with the Khadi Board.
To the government for taking a decision in which post I shall be entitled, UDA or superintendent.
The government take a decision, but Khadi Board is to refer it.
Yes, my lord.
Has it been done?
That is not done by the department, my lord. They have not taken any decision.
Mr. Sharma,
Yes, my lord.
don't understand and answer the question. We just pass on. The direction was to the Khadi Board to send it to the government.
Yes, my lord.
Has the Khadi Board send it to the government?
That is not, my
Then
lord.
we can send.
Send, my lord. Send, yes, send.
Where is the proof?
But as per our knowledge, my lord, that has been sent, my lord.
That is up to your knowledge. Have you made a file an additional affidavit stating that the Gati board has referred the matter to the government?
Yes,
Mr. N. Sharma,
yes.
Legal counsel for the petitioner is permitted to file an additional affidavit indicating when the Gati board has referred the matter for promotion of the petitioner to the government. List after
1 week, my lord. 1 hour.
7,
On the last occasion, we had sought for leave to rely upon certain documents, my lord, which are vital for adjudication of the instant matter, my lord. So I pray, my lord, the leave may be granted and the appeal may be registered, my lord. Those documents are vital for adjudication of the appeal, my lord. The documents are in the nature of,
What has this got to do with the registration of appeals?
because appeal has not been registered, my lord. Leave has, because we have sought for leave to rely upon certain documents, my lord. Because the cost title doesn't, cause list doesn't show the appeal has been numbered.
Yes.
It's a serial number.
This will be considered at the time of admission.
Yes, madam.
But why the appeal has not been numbered?
It shows as
Filing number.
filing number, madam. Or the time of admission, it can be considered now.
Appeal has been numbered as P433 of.
That is not an appeal number, that is a serial number, my lord. Because as on date, the latest appeal number is writ appeal number 120.
Yes, yes.
Registry is directed to register the writ appeal. And this the same for admission along with the present, along with the connected ID. And after
1 week, my lord.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Then
I think notice will have to go on the condonation, my lord.
How many days?
Only 22 days, my lord.
But Mr. K. Jamal and the senior counsel. Ken senior counsel assisted by Mr. B. Saraf.
These are.
B. Saraf. For the issue notice. Applicant to take steps.
I think, my lord, they have appeared, my lord.
Mr.
A Kalita Lordship.
Objection diva.
Who's appearing for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3?
Mr. Kalita,
Lordship. I am appealing
do you
for
have any objection 22 days?
22 days.
departments, this thing, Lordship. What is my goal, Lordship?
Only lordship will make the notice returnable by 2 weeks.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Okay, you are appearing for?
I am appealing for respondent number 2, 6 and 7 here.
How about 1?
Lordship, I am appearing, Lordship.
Mr. B. Chaudhary, Leonard.
1, 3, 4 and
You are standing counsel finance.
finance taxation.
For rest of the
Standing counsel
respondents.
finance taxation appears for respondents 1,
1, 3, 4 and 5.
4 and 5, and Mr. Kalita, Leonard counsel. Standing counsel,
2, 6 and 7. Standing council, industries and commerce.
industries and commerce appears for 2,
2, 6 and 7.
2, 6 and 7. Notice are complete?
Yes, notice that way is complete.
Notice on the respondents are complete. List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Would have 2 weeks. Deep.
Just put respondents are to file objections. List after 2 weeks.
11 admission.
May I appeal, Lordship? My lord, this appeal, my lord, against the common judgment and order passed by this honorable court, that your lordship will find, my lord, at page 108. And my lord, the identical issue, my lord, has already been, my lord, dealt with by this honorable court. And my lord, some, my lord, order has been passed against the, my lord, common judgment and order. The operative part of the judgment, lordship will find at page 135, paragraph 24. In absence of, my lord, relinquishment deed, the entire plot of land has been, my lord, taken away.
My lord, in this case, my lord, D not is there, my lord. He is on.
Similar address.
Permission notice. On the same line.
So same issue is involved, Mr. Kalita.
Same.
Third, Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the applicant. Issue notice. Mr. D. Not. Learned additional senior government advocate, senior government advocate. You are bring for
For all, no,
Appears-
except, my lord, 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm appearing.
1 and 2 who appears? Revenue.
2 is higher education department and 1 is revenue department, my lord.
Who I am appearing?
Revenue.
Lordship may record the name of MS and Border
MS
and Border
issue notice, general number 4.
and Border independent about
MS N bottle.
and Border.
Then standing council, revenue department appears for respond number 1.
Lordship.
Mr.
A.R. Tapilkar.
A.R. Tabildar, Leonard Standing Council, Higher Education appears for respond number 2, and Mr. D. Nath, Leonard Senior Government Advocate,
3 to 7.
appears for the respondents 3 to 7.
7.
Stop. Notice on the respondents are complete. List on, list after 4 weeks, along with writ appeal number 94 of 2020.
94 police. Yes, sir.
Item 14, my lord, identical issue, my lord.
14 is
Same issue.
same.
Same respondents?
Yes, my lord. I'll just check. Huh?
My lord, the status quo order, my lord.
Okay. In the meantime,
There are
status quo as regards the relinquished
but there are
shall
two,
be maintained
two
the
private
next-
respondents are there in that case.
in the next.
But in item 14, there are 2 private respondents. Otherwise same.
Private assembly.
The contractor has been made party here.
Item 14.
One to seven, six.
1 to 7.
1 to 7 is same. Appellant to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 8 and 9 by registered post entry within 1 week. List up to 4 weeks. Along with WBC.
I along with WPC, my lord, 94.
Writ appeal 94 of 2024.
My lord.
Interim order. The delete appeal raising the similar issue is pending before this court.
Very, an interim order is.
When an interim order is operating. Okay.
Deep double.
12,
But this appeal has come for admission to develop. The other similar appeals are admitted, my lord. I have an order of that, my lord. Completion about my lord. Similar appeals have been admitted, my lord.
What is the case number?
So I have given the number. Writ appeal number 50 of 2024. my lord.
But D not learn a senior council, senior governor advocate for the applicants. Admit. You have to take notice,
My lord, we have already given. I'll serve a copy of the writ appeal, my lord.
issue notice. Appellant to take steps for service of notice.
We'll serve copy, my lord. They are appearing.
J. Appearing.
That's
MS.
J. Akhtar.
J. Akhtar, learned counsel. Appears on behalf of the respondents. How many respondents are there?
Respondent number 1 and others are, my lord, official respondents pro forma, my lord. They are pro forma.
I'm appearing from respondent number 1.
For the respond number 1. Stop. List after 4 weeks.
After 4 years. Lordship.
Along with writ appeal.
50 of 2024.
Along with writ appeal 50.
Lordship. Obligado.
13,
Your lordship, matter may be attended for the only day.
For the day.
Lordship.
Your good name
A. Begum.
on request made by Ms. A. Begum, learned counsel
Any,
for the applicant.
next week, any date may be fixed, lordship.
The matter after 1 week.
Much over.
18.
Ma'am, Lordship. Ma'am, Lordship. Lordship here. So here in this case, Lordship, the imping order passed Lordship, 4/3/2024 Lordship. So my post is Lordship, in charge headmaster Lordship. And due to the false allegation Lordship, my post is reverted as an assistant teacher Lordship. Lordship, kindly find Lordship page 77 Lordship. The imping judgment Lordship.
Yes.
And the relevant part is the 78 Lordship. Second paragraph Lordship, kindly find Lordship. As per the last order dated 29/1/2024, submission of the Land Standing Council was recorded that the petitioner has been reinstated in his original place of the posting with stoppage of the one increment with cumulative effect, provided the next senior assistant teacher is allowed to the act of in charge headmaster in place of the petitioner Lordship. And Lordship, another page Lordship 79 Lordship, the last paragraph Lordship. Page 79 Lordship, kindly find Lordship. Under such circumstances, kindly find Lordship. Page 79 Lordship.
Yes.
So under such circumstances, in the in charge headmaster shall permit the petitioner to join in his original place of posting the assistant teacher in the Puthik IT ME school under the BE of Rupahi Nogao. The department will also issue consequent order directed to the in charge headmaster to permit the petitioner to join his place of posting pursuant to the order of the dated 24/1/2024 Lordship. So Lordship, what happened? The petitioner is a in charge headmaster Lordship. So due to the false allegation, his post is reverted as a assistant teacher Lordship. So due to the quid pro quo, the BO and the DO, so upon the another person Lordship is a Mohibul Islam Lordship, Hoibur Rahman Lordship, the newly appointed Lordship as a is in charge headmaster and that particular school Lordship. So I have immediately replied Lordship. Regarding this allegation Lordship, the midday meal misappropriate Lordship. So I have
Read the third paragraph. Read the third paragraph. Today when the matter is called up.
pardon.
Read the third paragraph of the order.
Page 81 Lordship.
Page 78.
Page 78. This is Lordship, the imping order 78. Imping order.
Yes.
Which paragraph Lordship? Third paragraph. Today, when the matter is called the Land Council for the petitioner submitted the pursuant to the order dated 24/1/2024, stated to have been passed by the Director of Elementary Education. Besides, a copy of the said order not being served on the petitioner. The petitioner has also not been allowed to join in his original place of posting. Mr. Dotto has placed the copy of the order which he has received from the Land Standing Council Elementary Education Department in the court today. Has placed it before the court Lordship. Lordship.
On that basis, this order was passed.
Lordship, whatever Lordship, here in this case, Lordship. So kindly find Lordship the page 81 Lordship. Page 81 Lordship is passed by the elementary education. Kindly find Lordship, page 81 Lordship. Married Lordship.
No, page 81.
81. Page 81 is the elementary, passed by the elementary education. Kindly find Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here clearly define Lordship, a married Lordship. That consequent upon the finding of the inquiry report against the petitioner in the WBC number so Mubarak Hussain, assistant teacher of the Puthimari ME school under BO Rupohi Nogao, who was placed under suspension, had this office order dated so is hereby reinstated in his service the pending finalization of the department proceedings in his original place. The posting with a stoppage of the 1 month increment with cumulative effect, Lordship. Provided that the next senior most assistant teacher is allowed to act in charge headmaster in place of Muhammad Mubarak Hussain, this is the appellant, Lordship, to maintain healthy academic environment in the school with prospective effect, Lordship. So, Lordship, what happened here in this case, Lordship? So, allegation only the midday meal misappropriate, Lordship, and that allegation is absolutely false, Lordship, imposed by the BO, Lordship.
Whatever it is, you submitted before the read court that you are not being allowed to join to your original place of posting. So this court, the read court permitted, directed that you should be allowed to join to your original place of posting. That's all.
Lordship, the existence headmaster of that particular school, Lordship, something that quid pro quo wise,
He has
Lordship.
to challenge this order.
So, original question is headmaster.
Oh.
Assistant is. That's
We won't dismiss today. We won't dismiss today. But Mr.
RC does.
Learned Counsel Appellate. Issue notice returnable in 6 weeks. The appellate. Katari?
Yes, I'm appealing for the response number 1, my lord. 1, 2,
Mr. Okay, NG Katari. NG Katari, Learned Standing Counsel,
elementary education.
Elementary Education Department, appears for respondents.
1, 2, 3, 6, and 7, my lord.
6 and 7. And MS Arvind Bora, Learned Government Advocate, appears for respondents 4 and 5. Appellant to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 8 by registered post 80 within 1 week. List number 6 weeks.
Charge, you don't have a choice.
Yes, Lordship.
16.
My lord, this matter can be tagged with another writ appeal 113 of 24. Actually, I am aggrieved by the order of the single judge, whereby my lord, instead of settling with me, and direction for retender has been issued. Now, in any case, my lord, at the instance of the settlement holder, he had filed writ appeal 113 of 24, where the notice was issued and impugn order has been stayed. Therefore, my appeal may be tagged with that, my lord.
Will issue notice?
Yes.
But
And I think the notice part can also be taken care of.
In fact, Lordship, their repetition in their original repetition is being allowed, Lordship. If we consider their prayer and their submission in the single judge order, their repetition in fact allowed, Lordship.
So therefore, my notice, therefore, notice should not be issued.
No, notice maybe so, but there is no warrant of appeal, Lordship. Actually, their repetition is being allowed. What they have prayed is being allowed by the single judge.
But Mr. K. N. Chowdhury, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
Mr. N. Gautam.
I'm Gautam, Learned Counsel for the appellate. Issue notice. Mr. You good time, please? Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Yes.
I think my learned friend will take notice for respondent number 5.
Okay, you are 4?
I am from 1 to
All the official respondents.
2, 3.
I'm for 4.
1, 2, 3, and
Mr.
Mr. P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Fishery Department,
Yes.
appears for 1, 2, and 3. Correct.
4 I'll be appealing.
Mr. N. Das, Learned Government Advocate. Assam appears for respond number 4. And Mr.
I'll appear for the response number 5. My lord, I am the appellant in the other case.
he has to accept.
DJ Medi, Learned Counsel, and just appearance on behalf of respond number 5.
And respondent number 6, my friend, Mr. R.P. Sharma, will serve upon his junior, my Tinku Shum, na? T. Shum, will serve copy. That way, my lord, whole thing will be expedited.
Appellant is permitted to furnish a copy of this with appellant to Mr.
MST Shum,
MST Som.
counsel for respondent number 6.
List after 4 weeks. along with writ appeal number
113 of 24.
Seventeen.
In this appeal in earlier occasion, state respondent was directed to collect information from the judicial department, what step has been taken on the basis of observation made in para 20 of the judgment. Whether it is received or not.
Judicial Department. Otherwise, if your lordship kindly go through the para 20 of the interim judgment, Miller, there is nothing in the writ appeal, Miller. Absolutely no matter.
As per para 20, petition is pending. Petition is pending. What step judicial department has taken? Who did that your lordship has directed to collect information? As per earlier order.
Judicial Department was directed.
MD Bora.
She is no longer with the government, my lord.
She has resigned from the government.
Otherwise,
Then who appears?
I'll be appearing then.
Okay, heard Mr. K. Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant. Mr.
And thus, madam.
And thus, learning government advocate shall take instructions in terms of the order dated 29/1/2020. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
2 weeks.
19.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, respondent was directed to apprise the court regarding the action taken pursuant to the inquiry committed. Pursuant to the inquiry report submitted, lordship.
The FIR has been logged by the.
Second page, madam.
There is a misappropriation of fund with regard to two water schemes. One of Amguri, another is of Sipsa government. An inquiry has been conducted and it is found there are gross anomalies, madam. And it's regard,
What is the action taken?
my lord, they have given the inquiry with regard to the superintendent of police, madam.
Where is the FIR? What will the superintendent do with inquiry?
To conduct the inquiry, my lord, regarding
Come
that,
personally. Explain district commissioner.
but at least sometime, madam.
What sometime? What is the point in forwarding the inquiry report to SP?
Okay, heard Mr.
Keyboard, lordship.
P. Borderland and counsel for the petition. Mr. Endas, learned government advocate. Submits that the inquiry report has been furnished to the superintendent of police Sivasagar by communication dated 29 February 2024. Learned government advocate shall take instructions as to what steps were taken after the communication dated 29 to 20. Stop. If no instructions are received, the, who is it? Deputy Commissioner. The additional district commissioner civil servant shall appear in person before this court on the next written. List not,
The fixed matter.
you'll have a, you will have to give a date. 20 May.
Oblige, your lordship.
20.
CBSE line.
Yes,
Lordship, the railway line is crossed over the village road, which is connected to National Highway 44. And the crossing point, there is a no level crossing. The railway authority blocked the road by digging pillar, which disrupted the road communication of the villagers. Lordship, the railway as well as the district administration agreed that the road under bridge is required in the public interest. Accordingly, both the administration.
On the standing council NFA,
Yes.
name is not.
Union of India.
Union of. Lordship,
you are paying for the railways also?
No, Lordship, I will pay for employer number 3.
Anybody appearing for the railways?
Nowadays, the CGSE they appear for the railway. But
After some time?
yes.
21.
Lordship, we have already filed one additional affidavit.
We haven't received the copy, Lordship.
We have not received. I will provide
You good name?
B. Fukon.
Mr. P. Fukan and counsel for the appellant shall furnish a copy of the additional affidavit. to
I
Mr.
didn't
A. Kalita, Learned
Standing council for industries and commerce.
Learned Studying Council, Industries and Commerce. List doctor? 1 week?
1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
22.
May I please your lordship, Mr. Mukesh Sharma is legs before another court. May kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Have to say.
Notice that.
Will issue notice at this.
Oblige.
But Mr.
I.S. Majumdar.
I.S. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the issue notice. You are appearing for the UCO Bank,
Yes, lordship.
MS?
S. Yasmin.
Yasmin, MS, yes, Yasmin, Learned Standing Council.
On behalf of M. Sharma, Standing Council, UCO Bank.
Learned Counsel appears on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, UK Bank for the respondents, 1 and 2. All the respondents. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
Oblige.
Much obliged.
23,
Malad, in this matter, Malad, we have prepared the affidavit and send it for vetting, Malad. Malad, I'm praying for 10 days time for filing, Malad.
Filing what?
Filing of reply affidavit, Malad.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
Z Goswami, Malad.
G. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is allowed to file affidavit. of reply.
Deeply obliged.
List of 2 weeks.
26, 27, and 28.
Wait, please. Well, here I'm with some more time to file our affidavit, madam. So director has already filed, my lord, from government side. We need some more time.
We got. Heard Mr. A. Dekal and the council. for the petition. Mr. N. G. Katanil, the standing council.
Elementary.
Education Department. Is allowed how much time?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of respondents.
That's now 1, my lord.
We have respondent number 1. List of the
4 weeks. Sir.
4 weeks.
Obliged.
T,
Yes, sir.
May I please your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the timing as Mr. Ken Chaudhary is on legs at court number 4.
What is getting over?
My lord, on behalf of respondent number 2, my lord, in earlier case, on behalf of respondent number 2, my lord, not 1. I'll file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2.
You want to file affidavit?
No, in the earlier matter, my lord.
Okay, on the not 1 but okay. Last one more matter and then.
I am on my way.
31,
Malad, kindly give it 3 days time, Malad. I have sent the affidavit, Malad. I'm required to file an IA in this matter, Malad. I prefer 3 days time, Malad.
On request made by D. Nath, Leonard, Senior Governor Advocate. Please, after 1 week.
1 week, lots. Hold on.
Whatever. we do.
20,
Why was this adjourned?
Lordship, may I submit on one thing, Lordship? Both the railway administration as well as the state government had agreed on that point that RAB is necessary for public interest. But the only issue is that who will provide the fund. The
Third, FZ Mazumdar, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. D. Nath,
I'm appealing for
Leonard, Senior Governor Advocate. To some. And Mr. S. Gerard.
Lordship, 1 and 4, Lordship. 1, 4, and 5, 6. Lordship.
Leonard, CGC. Shall receive instructions and file an affidavit. With regard to. What was it? Instructions. Preliminary instruction. Shall receive preliminary instruction.
the allegations made in the
Yes, regards the allegations made in the present hearing. And I press this court on the next date fixed. List after 1 week.
Not 10 days.
10 days. After 10 days.
Lordship, may I pray for a date, Lordship?
Is coming from what?
Lordship.
Extra copies.
Yes, I'll promise.
I'll find.
30, admission.
Lord, we have filed an affidavit explaining the circumstances in which, my lord, the document at page 174 came to be next to that earlier affidavit, my lord. My lord, if your lordship would kindly come to what had happened, my lord, we were aware that such a decision was taken. My lord, for the benefit of Honorable Justice, Jamir, my lord. What had happened, there was a selection for principal of Kokrajhar Government College. My lord, the appellant and another was in the fray for selection. Now, the difference of mark between the two was, my lord, only 0.06. Not even one, not even half. Now, what had happened, my lord, one of the interview board member gave 18 out of 20 to the other side, and I was given only 5 out of 20. In academics, I secured higher marks. In other components, I secured higher marks. It was only in interview, that only of that particular member, my lord, that, my lord, I was given a lesser mark. Now, another aspect which we highlighted before the learned single judge and as well as before this honorable court was, my lord, the expert or, my lord, whosoever is appointed by the APSC to go through the academic aspect, normally they are not associated with the viva voce. The reason being, my lord, they knows how much mark the candidates have got. That's normally the practice. In this case, that was also violated. And going by the difference of marks, my lord, this becomes very significant. Be that as it may. Now, my lord, when we came to know on 28/8/23, I filed an RTI application. And we have come to know that there is a decision taken in APSC that if a candidate gets more than 70%, then the subject expert is supposed to give, my lord, reasons why you are giving such higher marks. That was not answered by the APSC, my lord. Then, my lord, we annexed this document after procuring it in the manner which we have explained in, my lord, paragraph number para 12, my lord.
You are arguing for final.
No, no.
No, because this is the ad hoc bench only.
Okay, okay.
Want to argue, you argue, but then if it is not concluded, then this bench is not available.
Okay, it's only for today.
In fact, Lordship, the affidavit which they have filed, we have to go through it. Maybe if APSC would like to also respond, maybe the PTC would also like to respond. Let us go through it because there is an issue of giving board's document before this honorable court. The issue is not regarding selection now, whether a criminal case should be initiated or not.
Whatever.
Yeah, yes, that is why,
That is another.
that in response to that, this affidavit has been.
My lord, there is one more aspect, my
Whether
lord.
the document is genuine document or not genuine.
There, my learned friend counsel representing APSC should obtain instruction, my lord. We have made a statement in this affidavit that there are 2 proceedings, my lord. One 70% for other than CCE and 80% for CCE. They will have instruction on that also.
This matter was partly heard by.
Yes,
the
yes.
other judge. How much time?
Maybe 1 week time.
Mr.
They have clearly indicated, my lord.
Ian Jordan, the senior counsel, assisted by MS.
MS Sabina Ahmed. MS Sabina.
Sabina Ahmed, S. Ahmed.
Sabina, Ahmed, and the counsel, the appellants. On request made by Mr. C. Cycle and Advocate General Assam,
Represents PTC here.
representing the PTC authorities. List down after
1 week, maybe the third or fourth of
after 10 days. So
It's
as enable him to
6th of May.
examine the additional affidavit filed by the appellants.
6th of May.
In the meantime, Mr.
PP doctors.
PP,
PP doctor.
PP Tata, Learned Standing Council, APSC shall also receive instructions with regards to the allegation made in the additional.
Okay. Does it fix on 6th of May?
We'll give you 10 days, or you want a date fixed?
6th.
10 days as a fixed item.
6th of May.
After 10 days,
After
as a
10
fixed
days.
item means you
As
calculate.
a fixed item.
Deep level.
Higher education. Video also absent.
That submission could have been made then.
For how many times we have been adjourning this matter?
Petition is going to retire, Your Lordship. Everything will go now,
When are you retiring?
within 6 months.
See. Why didn't you submit your written argument? All higher education, 3 cases. In all these 3 cases, are you ready?
For pilot by 2 weeks time.
They cannot, Lordship. I think
I think sufficient adjournment has been taken.
let the affidavit be considered as their.
Thus,
Well, their affidavit will be considered as written argument, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, affidavit will not work.
Yes, Your Lordship.
you have filed affidavit in all these 3 cases.
Yes,
Yes.
they
have
filed.
filed.
It's on record.
In item number 2, my lord, they filed, pleading is complete, argument was complete, and
Okay.
I have also given my written argument,
Okay,
written note.
the parties have submitted a written argument. No, say it like this. The petitioner in the first item. And respondent number 7, correct?
Yes.
How about respondent 6?
I am for the respondent number 7.
7, yeah, 4.
I'm for the 3 and 4, Your Lordship, for the college, for the authorities. I've submitted my written argument.
And how about 7?
7.
Lordship, I am for item number.
No, item 1.
7, I am for the 7. I have filed.
Okay, your respondent 7, you have 4.
3 and 4, Your Lordship, for the governing body.
4 to 6, I think.
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
Correct.
No, palta. 4, 5 and 6, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
4, 5, and 6.
You have for 1, 2, and 3. Okay, say like this, the petitioner as well as the respondent number 4 to 6 and the respondent number 7 have filed their respective written arguments. Okay, as well as respondent number 8, huh? Comma, stop. Mr. As thus, Learned Standing Council Higher Education submits that as they have filed a detailed affidavit in opposition, they are not filing written argument. Accordingly, judgment is reserved. Hearing is concluded. Judgment is.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
How about item 2?
Item 2, my lord, whoever is submitted written
Argument.
argument, my lord.
Patwari,
Patwari, my lord, they have also submitted,
5 to 11.
yes,
Have they submitted?
the detailed affidavit, the argument also. they have.
Oh, you don't know. And Kakati, 5 to 11. DJ Das.
On the basis of affidavit, your lordship may dispose of, my lord, I have already given the written argument. They have filed detailed affidavit by the government and as well as the fire respondent.
Okay, petitioner and the other respondents, except the higher education, has filed their respective affidavit, written arguments. Mr. Endas, Esdas, Leonard Standing also higher education submits that they will not be filing written argument.
Our affidavit.
So that as they have filed a detailed affidavit, no written argument is required. Stop. Having concluded, judgment is. Yes.
Judgment, my lord.
Yeah.
Oblige.
Mahanda, you have submitted?
Yes.
And respondent 3 and 4?
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 and 4. the petitioner, comma as well as respondent 3 and 4. Have filed the respective written arguments. Mr. S. Das, the understanding of the higher education. Here also you filed affidavit. As they filed affidavit, no written argument is will be required. Hearing concluded, just a minute.
All right.
Finish.